Frank Crowder here, about to do a few conductivity measurements on distilled water. So that's my container of distilled water with a couple of bent metal electrodes in it. They're just about 5/8 of an inch wide by about an inch deep in the water and just over an inch apart. More of a side view on it. Right, so the voltage across that is actually measured by that meter over there. You'll never follow the wires in this jumble I've got here, you have to just take my word for it. The current that flows through it all is measured by this meter here, and also in series I've got that LED which glows when you get higher currents. So at the moment we're at 0 volts, so I'll turn it up to about 9 volts, which is a typical voltage that you'd use at home with a a small battery, just to see what we get even at this low. Whoops, overdone it. They are just over 9 volts. I better connect it, hadn't I? Right, I've connected it. So we've got 7.4 volts across the across the cell. It's only 7.4 as compared to that 9 because of that diode in series. That takes about 1.5 volts plus. I don't think at this low current there's just the slightest glow, but we're only talking about 0.1 milliamps here. But 0.1 milliamps is an actual current. It's a real current. So we are getting conduction through distilled or de-ionized water. That was the bottle of de-ionized water I used. So at a mere 7 volts we're getting 0.1 milliamps. Right, I'll turn the power supply up to 32 volts. That's the maximum. So we've now got 0.43 milliamps and 29.9 volts across it. Okay. Oh, let's have a look at the LED. Quite definitely red now. The LED is definitely glowing. It shows a white on the camera, but it's red when you actually look at it in real life. Right, I shall move this lead onto there. So that's got my 2 power supplies in series now. So I'm 62 volts there. We've gone up to 0.85 milliamps, and find the thing, can you? The LED is quite definitely glowing now. Only 0.8 of a milliamp, but the LED lights. So you can light a light and get current through distilled water. Alright, I'll go in one big leap now, straight from this 62 volts up to... I'm just taking the lead off. So that's... right, straight to nearly 240 volts, 237. You see now the current's gone up to 3 milliamps, and you can see it's red, even quite definitely glowing now. So 240 volts mains voltage, you can get 3 milliamps, quite a reasonable current. So I think that's it really. I'll